Let me tell you something that sounds impossible at first. Russia, a country under heavy US sanctions, is using Elon Musk's Starlink to guide killer drones hundreds of kilometers into Ukraine. Not just to the front line, deep behind it. In some cases, close enough that parts of NATO territory fall within range. This isn't science fiction. It's not a one-off. And it may be quietly reshaping how modern wars are fought. For most of this war, Ukraine has been very good at one thing: electronic warfare. Ukrainian forces jam GPS signals, disrupt radio links, and essentially turn attacking drones into blind, confused machines that crash before they hit anything important. Russia adapted before. They used fiber optic drones, physically connected to the operator by a cable. Those drones are almost impossible to jam, but they have a very boring weakness: the cable. No cable, no control. And cables don't stretch hundreds of kilometers. So Russia needed something better, and they found it in space.
Starlink is a satellite internet system owned by SpaceX. Thousands of low-orbit satellites, fast, stable, and extremely hard to jam. Ukraine uses Starlink everywhere, on the battlefield, in government offices, in hospitals, schools, and businesses. It's the backbone of Ukraine's communications. But Ukrainian investigators now say Russia has mounted Starlink terminals directly onto attacked drones. Hundreds of attacks. With Starlink on board, a drone no longer needs radio control from nearby. It can be flown in real time, with live video, from inside Russia itself. That means longer range, higher precision, and near total immunity from electronic jamming. Some of these Russian drones are reportedly equipped with NVIDIA AI chips, giving operators the ability to process live imagery and sensor data on the fly. That means drones can detect heat signatures, map terrain, and even identify high-value targets in real time. One photographed strike in Dnipro suggests a 500-kilometer flight range. That's not just Ukraine. That's Moldova, parts of Poland, Romania, and Lithuania. Here's the part that should make defense planners uncomfortable. A Starlink mini terminal costs roughly $250 to $500. Put it on a simple drone, even one made of plywood, like the Russian Molniya drones, and suddenly you have a weapon that can do the job of missiles costing tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. Russia recently launched over 6,000 drones in a single month. In one attack on Ukrainian energy facilities, 1 in every 3 drones hit its target, largely because Starlink made them impossible to suppress electronically. If you can't jam it, your only option is simple: see it, track it, shoot it down. That's much harder than it sounds. Now we get to the truly alarming part. Russia has used Starlink-equipped drones to hunt down one of Ukraine's most valuable weapons. The high-mobility artillery rocket system is a US-supplied launcher that fires precision rockets and missiles deep behind enemy lines. It's fast, it's mobile, and it's usually very hard to find. Near the village of Novobakhmitevo, about 60 kilometers from the front, a modified Geron 2 drone destroyed a HIMARS launcher. This wasn't luck. The drone fed high-quality live imagery back through Starlink. It used terrain mapping, thermal sensors to detect heat plumes, radar signature detection, all combined by the operator to confirm this is real, not a decoy. 2 recent strikes are believed to have happened this way. Low-cost drone, a high-value kill.
So how does Russia even have Starlink? Officially, it shouldn't. Starlink can't be sold or used in Russia under US sanctions. But terminals are exportable to many third countries, and Russia has been reported buying them abroad, then moving them to the front. Some accounts may even have been stolen from Ukrainian stocks. SpaceX has said it deactivates terminals used by sanctioned parties, but clearly not all of them. When criticized, Elon Musk responded that Starlink is the backbone of Ukraine's military communications. He did not directly address Russian use. Ukraine is said to have directly contacted Musk with proposals on how to stop Russia from using the technology, hoping the situation can be resolved sooner rather than later. So far, there's been no public confirmation of what measures, if any, have actually worked. The uncomfortable truth is this: modern warfare is no longer about who has the most advanced weapons. It's about who can combine commercial technology, improvisation, and scale the fastest. And Starlink, intentionally or not, has become part of that battlefield. That's the world we're heading into, and it's already here.